Hello, welcome to Mother of Grom. Today we're going to be doing the masculine thing of stripping down this Cosatto car seat so your wife can wash it. Start by releasing the straps from the E-shaped clasp at the back of the car seat. By pressing this clasp, you can give yourself some slack on the straps to release this W-clip. What's the W-clip? I don't know, one of these. Woohoo! Remove any booster cushions that still may be on the seat and pull the straps clean of the back. Keeping this part quiet from Joan Collins and Grace Jones, remove these shoulder pads from the straps so that they can be washed easily. Cool, cool. Unpop these pop fasteners at the back of the chair, releasing the lower fabric of the seat. Ease away the elasticated edge of the seat cover past these plastic red components. Remove these elasticated side arm covers like a red-blooded legend, and the top part of the seat cover should come away easily. Chuck it in the washing pile for the wife. Remove the final part of the seat cover and celebrate like a man as your wife does the washing. Actually, I did the washing. Okay, let's reverse the process. Put the top part of the cover on, followed by the bottom part. Once again, with the bottom part of the cover, make sure to navigate the elasticated edge underneath the plastic red components. The elasticated edge needs to go under the plastic rim of the frame, like here. Pull the main tightening strap through the front part of the base and pull the buckle through the back part of the base. Reattach these pop fasteners to the back lower part of the chair. Put on the sidearm covers, and now for the trickiest part. Making sure there are no twists, pull the longest length of strap through both holes on the base of the chair. It is easier if the chair is on its back. Thread the shoulder pads onto the strap, then take the buckle of the shoulder pad and the strap and pass them through the back of the chair on both sides, like so. When safely through, making sure there are no twists, connect the shoulder pad straps together with the E-clip, like this. Check in once again there are no twists in any strap. Connect this W-clip from the base strap which it's attached to the two ends of the same strap that run from the front of the chair. It should look like this. These straps are all correctly connected and you should be able to tighten the system via this adjustment. And we are done. Just chuck in the cushion. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.